Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add Google Photos to another account. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. As of my last knowledge update, Google Photos doesn't have a direct feature for transferring or sharing entire libraries between accounts. However, you can't share individual photos or albums with another Google account. If you need to move all your photos on another account, you might consider using Google Takeout to download your data and then upload it to the new account. Here's a general guide on how to do this. Firstly, go to Google Photos website. Then, choose the photos or albums you wanted to share. Then click on the Share button. Enter the email address of the Google account you want to share with. Confirm the sharing settings and send the invitation. And it has been sended and added to another account. Now, on the receiving account, open the shared album or photo, accept the invitation to add the shared content to the account. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.